You're watching Leveling's content. I'm Uzma. As you know that I bring more informative videos for you, and this time I also brought a video that is the most useful and informative for you, because not only you will get the knowledge about mental health, but also you learn a cheap and quick drink in this video. So kindly keep watching this video at the end and subscribe my channel as well. Let's start the topic. As you know that the mental health, and we if we get some food which is full of phosphorus, we get proper mental health. And I'm talking about here some food like egg, fish, nuts and fruits. They are the most important things for our brain and for our memory. So we should increase the intake of these food. But it is often seen that most of the people avoid this food, and most of us don't like to eat fish or egg. So in the outcome they suffer from many weaknesses. Like here we can see that they suffer from the weakness of eyesight. First of all, that is very common. So here due to the weakness of eyesight, they face many problems. And on the other hand, there are many other weaknesses like depression. And yes, that is occurred due to these things, that they avoid some food and they don't take the balanced diet. So they suffer from depression. And on the other thing is that here is insomnia. Yes, this is most common in the outcome. When they don't care about their food, they face this problem, and they can't sleep well all the night, and they wake up all the night. So we will talk about afterwards what should we do. Yes, so here is I want to tell you the other thing, other points like the beneficial foods. If they take these beneficial food, they can eradicate this kind of weaknesses. So here are the food, the things which they can take from their kitchen, like poppy seeds, almond, walnuts, apple, fish and banana. They are very common, and they can easily purchase these things and they can use them. So how they can use them, I will tell you after a while. And here we should like we should keep the eye on this precaution, like insomnia precaution. I want to tell you, whenever they face, they should follow up these steps. First is whenever they go to bed, they should vacate their brain from negative thoughts. Most of them keep on thinking about their life problems, other things. They keep on thinking all the time. So they should eradicate this habit. And the second step is that they like if they keep their feet in the warm water for 2 minutes, then remove them, they can take the relief. So here is that is we can say that is a remedy. Keep feet in warm water for 2 minutes, then remove them and cover them for a while with a cloth. So it will give them relief. And the third step is that before going to bed, they should walk 1 hour. These are very useful things for them and very suitable for them. So and the other thing is that which I told you, that I tell you a very useful drink. So let's see what I am telling you. This is a drink which is quick and very cheap for you. You can easily prepare it at your home. So you will need here two things like poppy seeds and almond, and this is milk. What to do? You have to first clean the poppy seed, because you must have seen that there are lots of dust in poppy seeds when you bring it at home. So you have to clean it first, and there is a specific way to clean the poppy seeds. You have to take water in a bowl, half bowl of water, and keep it in the water, and you use a strainer to strain it. 3 times you have to do this, so that you can fully clean it from the dust. And then when you clean it, you have to roast it in a pan, slightly roasted, and then you take it out. And when you see that it is dried properly, you take 3 tablespoon poppy seed, and you grind it. And you take 10 to 15 almond, and you have to grind it. And then you have to take a little bit oil or desi ghee, whatever you like most. You heat it in the pan, and you roast slightly again, and then you remove it from the flame. That is done. Now you can fill the mixture in a pan. This is a mixture, and you boil the milk, 1 cup of or 1 glass, as you wish. You warm it, and then you add 1 tablespoon in the milk, and that is done. You stir it, and if you want to give taste it, you can add mystery or sugar or brown sugar, whatever you want to take. Okay, that is done, and you have to take this drink before going to bed, and this is beneficial for you. And here is the other, like the idea that this is oil. This is poppy seed oil, and this is gourd oil. You mix it in the equal quantity, and you massage it on your scalp, and it will give you relief. And you will think that yes, I am like really I'm going to go sleep. So kindly share this video. That is very beneficial for you. I have done a great effort to create this video. Share it kindly. Thank you for watching.